Welcome to cooking everything in the official Fallout cookbook. Today we're making Blamco mac and cheese. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what to make next in the comments below, and check my other channel. I will upload something eventually. To start this recipe off, you're going to want to bring a medium pot of water to a boil twice. Then you're going to cut up 2 medium carrots. Now combine half a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of ground mustard, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. When your pots of water start boiling, put a pound of elbow macaroni into one and the carrots into another. Boil your macaroni for however long it says on the box, and boil your carrots for about 5 minutes until the carrots are tender. While the stuff is boiling, you're going to want to grate 8 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese and 4 ounces of fontina cheese. I used Gouda instead of fontina because we still had a lot of leftover Gouda. Now in a blender, you're going to combine the carrots, 1.5 cups of whole milk, half a cup of heavy cream, and 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, and you're going to blend it until smooth. Finally, in a medium saucepan over medium heat, you're going to melt 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and then you're going to mix in your flour and spice mixture to make a spiced roux. And then you're going to, once that's all roux up, you're going to mix in your carrot and milk mixture a little bit of a time until it becomes a coherent sauce. And finally, you're going to whisk in little bits at a time your cheese. Once your cheese is mixed in, you're going to season it with salt and pepper, and then you're going to mix in your macaroni, and you're done. This was good. I really like this. And I did actually learn something about cheese sauces today. Apparently, there's something we call the mozzarella effect. That is when the proteins in a cheese react to the starches in your pasta. It makes the cheese kind of behave like melted marshmallows and like a homemade Rice Krispie, which I did not know. That did happen here. Does not matter. Still tasted delicious. Highly recommend. Would make again. Mac and cheese is the goat. 9 out of 10.